Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's tutorial, it's gonna be super quick. Hopefully it's gonna be quick. I'm gonna be doing the Bantu knots. So my hair is moisturized now, and first thing I'm gonna do is part my hair. As you saw in the beginning, you saw the parting in the beginning, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start parting my hair. I really don't know how I'm gonna part it, but we'll see how it comes out at the end. These are the products I'm gonna be using. So it's the it's got to be glue styling gel, and also the enthroned edges edge control. It's Arcani enthroned edge control. And now you also need like rubber bands and some hair, some type of braiding hair. But yeah, we'll talk about that later on. So I'm gonna use this clip to hold the rest of my hair here. Okay. So first I'm gonna work with this one. So this is the first one I'm gonna apply, the styling gel. I'm gonna use a brush. Now I'm just gonna use some edge control to hold the flyaways. Control not too much because you don't want to start getting residue, but just like a little bit towards the edges, just to hold your hair basically. And you're brushing it. Okay, and now you can take hair ties. You can take hair ties and just like tie it. And you want to tie it tight because like the knots will look way better when they're tighter. Okay, so once it's tied, you're gonna take the hair in the ponytail, you're just gonna twist it. Okay. So yeah, and then you're just gonna keep doing this until you get to the top. Braid this side with the Marley hair. Add another one. Alright, so the side braids are done, and then now I'm gonna go ahead and start parting my hair from the front. I think I'm gonna go with triangles, to be honest. Yeah, I think they will look good. I think triangles are good, so I'm gonna go with triangles together. So I'm gonna apply the styling gel. Okay, all right, so now I'm gonna go part the rest of my hair off camera, and I'll be back once I'm done parting it. Now I am done parting my hair. Honestly, I think it came out good. Like, the parting came out okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start adding, attaching more hair to, so that way my my knot is gonna be like a little bit bigger. So yeah, I'm gonna take the kinky crush hair again. Let's see, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the back, and then I'm gonna come back. All right, hey guys, so I have two more parts for me to twist and do the Bantu knot. So this is how the other ones look. I'm excited. Basically, we're gonna take the kinky crush hair right here, and what you're gonna do is take a crochet and you're gonna insert it into the parting, the one we put in the ponytail. Insert the hair, the kinky hair, push it out, and just take it, push one side out, and that you have a one, and then you're gonna insert another one. So insert the crochet into the parting, attach the kinky hair, pull out, and then pull out one side of the kinky hair all the way. Okay, and then after you have both two strands of the kinky hair in, you're gonna divide it into two equal parts, and then you're gonna untwist your natural hair, untwist it, and divide it between the two parts, and then twist everything together. Yeah, you can either twist or do like a braid if you don't know how to twist. Okay, so twist all the way down. After you twist all the way down, you're just gonna knot it. Well, yeah, do like a Bantu knot. Like this. Twist it all the way. Okay, once it's in all the way, you're just gonna take a rubber band and put it over it. And there you go, you have your Bantu knot. Alright guys, so now I am done doing the Bantu knots completely. Okay, period poo. Okay, so now I'm gonna go do my edges, and I'm also gonna do my makeup, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final look. Bye guys. I'm back. So this is the final look after my makeup is done and my edges are done, kind of. I was gonna put beads on the ends of this hair, but I decided to just leave the curly hair at the bottom and just like put this decoration here and just like let it flow. I thought that was cute, and also because I used Marley hair, this just like curled up, which I thought was cute, so I just left it like that. You guys let me know in the comments down below what you think. What? This is so cute. I love this, guys. Like, wow, look at that. Yes So make sure that you like this video, make sure that you subscribe, and leave me comments down below on what you think. Hold on, let me turn around because what? I appreciate you guys for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Subscribe to see more styles that you can do on your 4C hair. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Bye guys, make sure you subscribe, okay? Subscribe. Love you. Mwah.